Okay, guys. So basically, the this will have to be part two. This will have to be part two of my season rice. Look at my hair. I'm just here drying my hair, guys. So this will have to be part two of my season rice because the video cut off, unfortunately. So I'm waiting on everyone to roll back in. That was that was on the live. So hopefully I can get everybody in. But I'm making some seasoned rice for those who are just joining in. And I'm cooking that in my rice cooker. We have 28 minutes to go to finish up our rice. And this is a one pot meal. So it's ackee and saltfish with callaloo seasoned rice. And I have part one. This is gonna have to be part two because for some reason my video froze. So I had to start over the live. I have one person who is back with me. Let everybody know that I'm back. Share it out and let everyone know that I am back with part two of the live. I don't know what happened. Taya's Kitchen. Hello, Taya. So this is like part two of a video, Taya. I was on live and the video cut off, so I had to start it over. Cooking some seasoned rice. So this will have to be like part two. So I'm just waiting on people to roll back in so we can see the deliciousness of this rice. So it doesn't start cooking as yet because it was 45 minutes, 26 more minutes. Hey, Sheppy, welcome back, welcome back. Hopefully everybody comes back in. I don't know what happened. Okay, Taya said she was on the first live. All right. So we have Taya and we have Sheppy back. So this is basically the part two of my seasoned rice. So yes, so remember, thumbs up this video again since the other one got cut off. So just like thumbs up this video. And Nram is in the house. Thank you for coming. This is like part two of the first video. So the video before this one with the seasoned rice. Please watch that video after this live if you want to see how I prepare the seasoned rice. I have 40, let me see, I have 25 more minutes leave to go on the seasoned rice. It's ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. And remember to connect with me on Instagram, connect with me on Facebook. Instagram is Jamaican underscore recipe queen, and Facebook is Shugs World Cooking. Hey Trina Nyamins, Shugs World Cooking. Like up the page on Facebook. I have a new channel that I'm trying to build. So if you don't subscribe to that channel as yet, it's The Haley TV, and Sheppy dropped the link in the first live. So, but you can search it up as The Haley TV. It's also featured as a channel underneath my main channel here, The Haley TV. Go over and subscribe to that channel. I have some amazing content coming out for that channel. Before the video cut off, I was talking about my hair. So I was telling them that I did my own hair. I colored it. I actually just bleached it out. I didn't put a color over it. So this is just like natural bleaching my hair. Um, I'm hair drying it now. Then I'm going to put some moisturizer and stuff in it. See, it's a bit dry because I'm just leaving it to hair dry. And then I'm going to moisturize it. Let me know if I love the color. It's more like a 27 mixed with 30. And this is a color that I always wear. So just let me know if you like my hair. And as I'm saying, I did it myself, so I think I saved myself at least 80 bucks, $80, at least $80. I have a video coming out tomorrow. It's a surprise, so I won't tell you what that video is. But it's a video that you don't want to miss. If you're a man, don't miss that video tomorrow. I'm gonna put it out about 11:30 or 12. So remember, New video coming. Hey Glenroy, how are you doing? Yes, your hair looks great. Thank you. Thank you so much. I miss you. I miss you on my live and stuff. I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Da da dee. Sheppy, you know what's coming tomorrow, don't you? Uh-huh. You know when you're queen, I come out for the man them. I come out for the man them, because me no want nobody I tell the man them say been busy. Okay, I understand. Pretty hair lady. Thanks, Trina. Your hair looks good. Thank you. I actually changed the color today from black. I still left my roots black, but yeah. Sometimes you have to change up a little face and thing. Sheppy said, yes, I know. So actually I have some goodness coming out tomorrow. So you don't want to miss out on that one. And
Hi guys. Dave took the live topic.
what you say? Whenever you say them. What you say?
You can't talk for the live.
Can't talk on the live. I think people don't on the live never here. I'm just having some watermelon. So basically, what's coming out tomorrow is gonna be a good one. I'm not giving you no tips, not a hint. But if you're a man, you don't want to miss the one. Females, you don't want to miss the one either. If you want to blend up, that's something you want to come out with tomorrow. It's very sweet, yeah. This melon is very sweet. hmm So you want to make sure that you watch the video there tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel if you're watching this live. Chop City Sis. Yeah, thank you, Duncan. Make sure. Watermelon sweet.
Make a place in my life.
So
Actually, Joe.
it was so sweet. Hey, cooking with Joe Black. How are you doing? I'm just cooking some season rice. Duncan. Duncan said, "Why pre?" Thank you, Chef. You hit that thumbs up button. I have 21 minutes on the rice to go, so you have 21 minutes more to stay with me here. Um, Trina said, "Mine them EPA blend up. They're not queen. No, they are natural. They're all natural, and they are all healthy. Natural, healthy. Nothing to harm you.
And what you mean?
Oh, wait, my niece knows what she mean. Just a come off of the work. Hey, chef, go get me my charger.
I'm not getting them to charge your phone.
Hmm?
You're a bad habit.
Bring that thing come up my charger phone. Watermelon is so juicy and nice. Rock ear.
Let me see your left feet.
Alright, try to move around there and kin over me
Nah,
something.
come on. I'm a big.
Yeah, actually you are.
No. Move fast, that's all.
Mm-mm. This is so good. Taya, you see it. What Taya said, let me see. That means that people are going to breed. Ah! Actually, guys, let me tell you something. All of my all of my recipes, I've been doing some research. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a teacher background. I have a bachelor's in primary education, so I love to do researches and stuff. So I did some research on certain things. As I'm saying, I'm not giving away any hint, and I found something that was really interesting and that the men will like. Female was also gonna like that because of course they're gonna help out the man them, but me not make gonna know exactly what I go on yet. Watch if you get tomorrow. And it's simple, very, very simple and easy to make. Only two ingredients. So Just like scientists and doctors, that's what they do. They do their research and come up with prescriptions, like medications or stuff like that. So that medal. Cooking with Joe Black say all wait. So Sheppy is dropping the link for my second channel. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please go over there and subscribe to that channel, The Haley TV, please. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll be posting. Akeem said check in. Hey, Akeem, welcome. I'll be posting a lot of videos over there, and not a lot of cooking videos, but a lot of healthy recipes and stuff like that. So just run over The Haley TV after the live and subscribe to that channel. I already did to Haley a few weeks ago. Okay, thank you, Trina. Thank you guys so much. Good evening, Akim. How are you? Where are you guys? Where are guys coming texting from? Well, is it texting or commenting? Commenting. Where are you guys commenting from? I know Glenroy is in Jamaica. And Sheppy is in Saskatchewan. Saskatoon, Canada. Akim's adjusted. Thank you, Akim. And I am in Canada, but I'm in Toronto. Oh, Taya's in USA. USA is in the house. Hey, pal. Good night. How are you doing? Pal, where are you again? Are you in Canada or are you in Jamaica? Trina said Germany. Woo! Germany's in the house. Akim said Jamaica. Lorna said the ATL. What's ATL, Lorna? Can we go back to London? Oh yeah. Pals is in Manitoba, Canada. Pals is also a YouTuber. Most of the most of the most of the people that you see on this live, they're YouTuber as well. So if you're not YouTubers, and if you're not a YouTuber, a content creator, I should say, the melon too sweet to get to my head, and you want to support the small YouTubers like myself, you can just look in the live and go over to their channel and show them some support, especially Pal, because she's a member of my channel. And that's one of the perks. If you're a member of my channel, I give you shout outs and also share out your videos and also give you some watch hours if you're trying to make up watch hours. I'll run your videos for you. But you have to be a member. So the membership, you can join my membership. It's $1.99, $2.99, or $3.99. Very, very cheap. This watermelon is so juicy and nice. So I have a season line that I'm working on, like my jerk season, my green seasoning, and also my curry. I don't know if I'm going to ship internationally, but I'm planning on shipping Canada wide. So if you're in Canada and you need like a jerk seasoning, let me see if I can grab one. So if you're in Canada and you need like a green marinade and a jerk season, so this is my green marinade. I also have the jerk season. So if you're in Canada and you need the green seasoning, just link me up. Link me up, or is it that you can send me an email. My email is thehaleytv@gmail.com. So let me show you the goodness. That's my green marinade. The smell, oh my. So I'm going to label these and I'm going to start distributing Canada wide. So I'm just waiting on the labels. And I'm testing the shelf life in the fridge. I know it lasts longer in the freezer, but I'm testing the shelf life to see how long this can actually stay in the fridge for, or on the shelf. When I'm ready to send them out, when I'm ready to distribute, I'm gonna do a video with instructions on how you can order the green seasoning, jerk seasoning, and your curry paste. Some pineapple. Pineapple good for the ladies them for eat pineapple. Thank you so much, Bling. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I have 12 minutes on the rice, so I have 12 more minutes on the live. So we're soon done, so don't go nowhere. Mm-mm. Pineapple is also so good. Remember, everybody run over the Haley TV and subscribe to that channel. All right? What's his name? Seda. Trina Nyamin say, yes, girl, make that money. Yeah, it's kind of a like, okay, so if you have a hobby and it's something that you love to do, why not try to just make some extra cash? Huh? Pineapple my favorite. Pulse pineapple my favorite. So it's not good for the man then. Pineapple is a fruit, and pineapple is good for everyone. But for the females, make you stay fresh down there, so make give you a better taste. Make it taste good. Uh-huh. hmm Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Taya. So Taya, subscribe to the Haley TV already. I know that Paul subscribe also. I don't know if any one of you subscribe to that channel as yet. Cooking with Joe Black. Joe Black, I have something for you for tomorrow. Not the pineapple. I have something for you tomorrow. Just wanted you to say. Oh, say draw me out like shoes lace. In cooking with Joe Black, you draw me out like shoes lace, huh? Glenny I said Shugs careful enough. I'm careful. Done. But I have something for you. Um, I have something for you tomorrow. Cooking with Joe Black. Don't worry. Tomorrow, are you ready? Tomorrow is your day. I'm not eating no more fruits, even though all right, so I'm gonna go give you a little. So the video is coming out tomorrow. And this is for the men. Female can drink this, but it work for the man them. See it here? The video come out tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you now what in this tomorrow. Yeah. Female can have it too because it's healthy. Have a lot of health benefits, but a phone no the man them. The man them something this tomorrow. 9 minutes on the rice. 9 minutes on the rice. Rice so long. It boat. When I tell the boat so long, yeah man. So strong back. That one I'm a strong back tomorrow, Paul. That one I'm more than a strong back. I'm not giving no hint though. I'm not giving away any hint. I want you guys to watch the video tomorrow. But just show no, but I don't know what in it. So like you sending us to do some damage. Me not sending no go do no damage, you know. Me I sending no finna go flap. And that me I sending no for London boy said big up Queen and family. Thank you, London boy. Thank you for coming. Sheppy say, hey ha boy. Me no want the man them for flap. I'm rooting for the men for the 2021. I'm rooting for your men's. I'm root men, not men's. Oh, where did I get my English from? Men, I'm rooting for you. It's all about uno. Hmm. If you don't see me, hey Chef Young, if you don't see my two strong back punch that I used, no sir, excuse me, no sir queen yet. I know, right, Trina? Men's. Oh my gosh. So if I'm gonna see the two strong back drink when I make with the, I'll be waiting for that video tomorrow. Okay, London boy. Also, remember hit the subscription button if you're new here. Turn on the post notification bell. Go over the Haley TV and subscribe to my second channel. Subscribe to Paul's channel because she's a member and that's one of my perks. Join the membership for shout outs and also for me to share your videos. And also, I'll help to give you watch hours. Um, Link me up on Instagram. Link me up on Facebook. It's Shugs World on Facebook and Shugs World Cooking on Facebook and Jamaican underscore recipe queen for Instagram. My email is thehaleytv@gmail.com. If you want to support my channel, you can PayPal me. I think my PayPal is in one of the description, not this one, because I didn't. Obviously, this is a live. Or you can send me an email, message me, and I can send you my PayPal information if you want to support my channel. You know, me have to buy food and buy up all of this strong back something. So join the membership. I have membership as low as $1.99, guys. Come on, please join the membership. The money that I get from the membership, I can use it to buy up little stuff. And I have a project working on, but I won't tell you about that project yet. And this one, I'm planning on doing it for charity, but I'm thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. So let's see where we go with that one. What did Paul say? I missed the comment. Queen, I will visit you with Paul's smoothie. Okay, all right. Remember, when you watch the video, leave a comment. And that's my email. Sheppy's dropping my email, thehaleytv@gmail.com. And link me up on Instagram. You can message me. That's the best way to get to me. Email or Instagram. If you want to get to me. So we have 8 minutes Ponderites already connected with Pal. Okay, good Taya. Good. Remember, guys, I'm gonna stress it again. I have membership as low as $1.99. $1.99, you know? $1.99. But if you want to join the membership and give me a $3.99, you can also do so. The another way, or you can contribute to my channel, you can hit that little dollar sign down there, so, and you can super chat me. Yeah, you can super chat me one big money. Yeah. So that's another way you can support the channel. Just throw me up a little super chat here and there, you know. Yeah, when I do my premieres or I do my live, and you feel generous. It just comes to boom and you lick me dollar, $50, $100, and then something there. But if you only want to hit me up with a $2 and $3, no problem. I'll take it. Every little make a muckle down. Excuse me. So when I eat pineapple, you burp. Oh my gosh. What did James say? I didn't hear him. Incredible Me, hello there. How are you doing, Incredible Me? Incredible Me is a gamer. Well, she's a gamer. At first I thought that Incredible Me because of the gaming channel. Before I actually saw her, I thought she was a boy. Queen, you're echoing. Really? I don't know if because I have in my, I don't know if it's my earpods. Am I still echoing? Because I have, I've, good, how are you? I'm good. Let me know if I'm still echoing because I had my earpods in all the, um, since I've been on the live, so I don't know why I started echoing. Everyone thought I was a boy. Yeah, I thought you was a boy. Because, well, you see why you're not like assume because you had a gaming channel. I thought that at first before I actually saw you, I thought you were a boy. I'm not hearing an echo on my end. Okay, so Joe Black said I'm not hearing an echo on his end. So maybe it's your maybe it's on your end, sweetie. Not on my hand. Okay, so it's on your hand. I think it's on your hand because all along I have my earpods and I didn't change around anything. Didn't make any changes or anything like that. So, okay, earpod bubble. Berkey. Ipadzulan. What's in the kitchen recipe, Queen? Oh, I'm making some seasoned rice. For those who are coming, just coming, I'm making some seasoned rice. This is the second part of the video because the first video got I don't know what happened. A call came in on my phone and it froze. So I'm cooking some seasoned rice, but I'm not using white rice. I'm using this brown rice because I'm trying to keep it healthy for the summer, or at least for the rest of my old days. So I'm using this brown rice and I'm making some ackee and saltfish with kalaloo in my rice. So it's basically a one pot ackee and saltfish and kalaloo seasoned rice. I have some vegetables in there and hey, good night, Kali J. How are you? Thank you for coming. So I have some vegetables and I put one chicken noodle in there, but you have to use the chicken noodle if you want to keep it vegan or vegetarian. So you can basically use like vegetable noodle, or you can use like the vegetable cubes, Maggi cubes, or stuff like that. Good to hear that you're okay, Kali J. Kali J. Kali J. Okay, so guys, if you're any one of you guys on here, if you're coming to Toronto anytime, if you're in Canada and you're coming to Toronto, remember to hit up your Jamaican recipe queen. I would love to see you guys in person. You want to see me in person? You don't want to see me in person? But no one wants to see me in person. So hit me up and we can link up because we're going in phase 3 on the 16th. Hopefully, that's what they said. That's what they said. They said that we're going into reopening phase 3 on July 16th. So basically the place are open up back. Wet and Wild open up already, but me can't get no date to go in. Hey Michibu, how are you? So fine Finley 5, how are you doing? Thank you for coming. So we're going into phase 3 reopening. So hopefully we can link up. Chef Young the is in Canada too. Chef Young is in Canada as well. Where in Canada are you, Chef Young? Chef Young in a Scarborough? Don't do that. I can't believe you're in Scarborough. Gloria Jones and hello from Florida. First time live watching. Hey Gloria, thank you for coming. I'm just cooking some seasoned rice. So I have 8 minutes on the rice. I'm doing it in my rice cooker. If I missed the front part of the video, I have another live before this one that says seasoned rice, ackee and saltfish with callaloo seasoned rice. The live was cut short, and this is the second part because it froze, so I had to restart it. So you can see all the seasoning that I put in my pot the and how we prepared the seasoned rice. You'll see the final result, however, on this live. We have still have 8 minutes on the pot. Let me turn it around so you can see. So we have like 8 minutes, and I'm doing it in my rice cooker. So we have 8 minutes, and we're just waiting on the 8 minutes to come to an end. I'm hungry, but I have some pineapple and some melon just now, so that will warm me up for the next 8 minutes. So, Chef Young, I am actually in Brampton. So, link me up on Instagram, man. Place that open up back. We can probably link up and do a collaboration, you know? So, link me up on Instagram, official Jamie. How are you doing? Link me on Yes, I am in Brampton. Brampton. So link me up on Instagram and make we keep the link. As I'm saying, we can link up. Phase three reopening is coming up. So I guess we can link up now. Still be safe and keep ourselves safe. But I mean, things are coming back to some sort of normality. So link me up on Insta. It's Jamaican underscore recipe queen. Official Jamie said thank you. Nelson and Elmer's for me. Okay. Yeah, man. And remember, please, please, please subscribe to my second channel, Jamaica Recipe Queen. No, sorry. My second channel, Daily TV. And that's the link. Sheppy just dropped the link. Go and subscribe to that channel. I have some amazing contents coming out. We have why my rice cooker still saying 8 minutes. My rice cooker is still saying 8 minutes. And it's been saying 8 minutes since 8 minutes ago. Let me just check up and see what's going on with my rice cooker because hopefully my rice cooker is not broken. Hopefully my rice cooker is not broken. Huh? There's ticket, but in the week. I just checked to see if my rice cooker is broken because look how long let me show you again. Look at that. 8 minutes. You know how long it's been saying 8 minutes? It's the first I'm seeing it like that. Sheppy said, haha, stop mix me up. Can you believe I follow on IG and I'm getting it wrong? Exactly. Okay, I will go to that channel, my second and first channel host. Okay, thank you so much. As I'm saying, I want to see if I get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start posting some amazing contents over there. So please, may I beg you, just go over there, go subscribe to the thing. Subscription free, no man, I'm not gonna treat myself. I mean, some wicked, it's wicked. No, what if I cooking, I go on over there, so. And I don't want to mix up certain things that I have to share with you on my cooking channel. So look at my hair, guys. I did my own hair. I'm loving it. That's why I keep on repeating it. On your new channel now, Queen. Okay, Chef Young. Thank you. Thank you so much. Fine Finley 5 said I will subscribe to it. Okay, thank you guys so much. Remember, leave a comment. That channel I don't really monitor it like on a daily basis, but I do go over there and check out the comments. So leave the comment, and when I get some time, I'll go over there, see who commented, who subscribed, and I don't know how the routine go. All right. Um, I think something is wrong with my rice cooker because it's still saying 8 minutes. Your girl Lala, I Jamaican recipe queen. Hi, how are you? Um, I think Tish, come look for my rice cooker. I think it's broken. No, seriously, come look. It's still saying 8 minutes. It's never like this. Give it time. It's still saying 8 minutes over 8 minutes ago. Something is definitely wrong with it. It's supposed to at least saying 7 minutes. Look, guys, it's still saying 8 minutes. It has never been like this. Me check your rice and it still won't dry out more. But say I have 8 more minutes on it, so I think it's broken. You think if it can, but if me cancel it and start it over back, it have a restart the cooking. Oh man, but it a bubble. It a bubble. It a bubble. It a bubble, but it has say 8 minutes. It's not supposed to say 8 minutes so long. Okay, cooking with Joe Black. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, it's 2:10. Better call. Yeah, because you're in. Oh yeah, your timeline is different. Your time zone is different from ours. Chef Young said, give it some time. No, because it's my. I have this rice cooker for a while, so I'm used to it. Oh my, I missed it. Jamaican Cooking 101. You can rewatch the live. I have the part one, and this is a part two. Um, my rice cooker is saying 8 minutes over 20 minutes ago. So I don't know what's happening. I'm giving it some time, see if the timer is not moving, and just to see if the rice is cooking. Let me show you. It a bubble up. Let me show you. It a bubble. Look like it a. See there? It's bubbling, but yes, hopefully soon done. But the timer is not moving on the pot. It is still saying 8 minutes over 20 minutes ago. So maybe I don't know. Maybe the timer stuck. Maybe the timer stuck, but it's definitely bubbling. So I thought it would have been done long time ago. My Havana guys here, I wait for the liquor rice, lad. Taya said, cooking with Joe Black, so take care, everyone. Take care, enough blessing. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. You can rewatch the video if you want to see the end product tomorrow, hopefully. The video, the rice cook. If not, it have to cook as a matter of fact, because if it not cooking at the rice cooker and my rice cooker is broken, I'll have to do a throw it out in my Dutch pot, put it on my stove, and make it stay in there. Let me tell you something to guys. If you don't want the rice to cook nice and shelly, you know, say you could have cook rice in your oven. Leave me comment right now and let me know if you know that you can actually cook right. Well, you can actually steam rice. I'm not even well, cook or steam, whatever. In your oven. Okay, Chef Young said, yep. Um, Jamaican Cooking 101 said, that's right. Definitely. Yeah. You can put it in your oven. Let me tell you, best way to cook a rice and peas, if no one never know this, official Jamia said yes. Queen, you are the real yardie. Of course. I am the real yardie. Oven steam rice good. Yeah, best rice and peas you can ever cook is in your oven. Trust me. It's the best. Shepherd say, yes, I know. Yeah. Do it all the time, especially rice and peas. If I'm not in the mood to use my rice cooker in the oven, best and in a bun or nothing. You don't want to put no water in it when you put in the oven though. But remember, say make sure you lock tight that with some cling wrap. Not cling wrap, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Foil paper. Lock tight it with some foil paper and leave it there for steam. Oh yes, it moved. It moved to 7 minutes. I was impatient, maybe. Maybe because you're the first to actually stand up and watch your rice cooker. See? It moved to 7 minutes. So I was so impatient. But as I'm saying, normally I want to stand up and watch it. Like I'm stand up and I watch it now. Yeah, foil. Yep, foil. Just make sure so you lock tight it. Make it keeping all of that steam then. Less water. Keeping all of that steam there and it stay there and steam with the coconut juice. May I tell you. Especially when you're cooking lots of rice for an event. Exactly. Exactly. Can't spoil in the oven. It cannot spoil in the oven. I'm telling you. Tell them, Queen, almost everything we can cook in the oven. Ask the cook. Yeah, yeah, oven and 350. Well, it depends on your oven. Cool cat, welcome, welcome, welcome. It depends on your oven. You can you can do it at 350 if you have if your oven is like what would I call it now? I don't know the word. But basically what I want to say, I cook mine on 400. So because my oven is not that powerful. Powerful is the word I'm looking for. My oven is not that powerful, so I do rice and peas um on 400. I do my jerk chicken on 450, and sometimes I even go 500 depend because I love when my jerk chicken nice and bone up and crispy, like you put it on the grill. So sometimes I pop it up to 500, but my oven, as I'm saying, it's not that powerful. 350, if you're not sure about your oven, 350. What container pot to use for cooking rice in the in oven? Okay, so when I am cooking the rice in the oven, foil tin. Let me show you. These are the best thing you can ever use in your oven for cook rice and peas. Foil tin. Yeah, I put it on 500, 450 degrees, 500 sometime. Because my oven not good. I don't have a high powered oven. Normally I use 400 and I put it to 450 to do my jerk chicken. But sometimes I bump it up because I want it to make yes and cook, especially when I'm hungry. This I cook my rice and peas in, and you seal this nicely with your foil paper. If you don't have a foil tin, you can also use your baking tin. But these do it nice, nice. Every time I do it, in addition to it, I can't remember if I ever use a baking tin, like one of the regular baking tins. I always use these aluminum foil tins to cook my rice and peas. But the Dutch pot can go in the oven too because it's fully aluminum. Dutch pot are aluminum too, right? So you can probably put it in the oven in your Dutch pot. But remember the Dutch pot's so thick. I not even know if that can work out good. It will take probably a longer time to cook. So the aluminum foil is your best shot. That's what I use all the time. Yeah, me cooking with joy said, blessings everyone. We have 6 minutes on the rice. Yeah, yeah. So rice soon done cook now. I don't know why did that stuck so long. My oven used 200 to do the jerk, and it's short and nice. Depends on your oven. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. My oven, I definitely knows because I had an oven before this, and 350, 300 could have done my chicken. So that's why I know that this oven is no good because I put I bump it up to four. I use 450 on a regular basis, and like me say when more get a little bit more crisp on it, I put it up to 500. It's not good. My oven is not good, but it depends on your oven. 350 should be good to cook your rice and peas. Yeah, me cooking with joy. So blessings, queen. So rice almost done cook. I think me kind of little bit impatient. I think I was a little bit impatient. Or it's something definitely in a move and definitely in a cook. So I don't know what's wrong with it. Huh? I don't know. I think my rice cooker is broken. I don't know. I've never seen my rice cooker move like this before. I think my rice cooker is shy. See, it's stuck a second. Oh Lord. Okay, well, I guess I'm the one who's impatient, so I'm just gonna leave it there and let it finish up. Yeah. So what you guys cooking tomorrow? I don't even know what I'm cooking tomorrow. What you guys cooking tomorrow for dinner? Tomorrow is Sunday. Some of y'all already have Sunday, so I'm referring to Sunday. What you guys cooking for your Sunday dinner? What's on the menu? Let me get a napkin. What Jaime did say?
When I don't cook,
What you did say? What do you say? Oh, I forgot to me have something on my ear, so that my ear me. I look at thing and never repeat it. Oh my god. That's the YouTube about me. Hmm? I forgot I have in my earpods, so I'm go around there ask my stepson what did he say when he came in. But it's a lucky thing he never repeated it because I had my earpods in and I didn't even realize. Because the YouTuber ban all of us. Chef Young said, well, let me see what I missed. Queen, I think because you're looking at it, it seems like it's not working. You're working tomorrow? Okay. Tomorrow's Sunday. It's counting down, but it's so slow. I've never, well, let me say, I'm not gonna say I've never seen it like this before, because Real Ever Fact is the first me stand up and watch it. But if me did have it on the fire, me I tell you that don't cook already in my Dutch pot. I'm so tempted to just take out my Dutch pot or throw it in. Tomorrow I'm making jerk ribs and leg of lamb. Woo! Official Jamie, you're cooking leg of lamb. That sounds so fancy. Joe Elkison said good night, each and everyone. For jerk marinade, seasoning and curry paste, email the Haley TV at gmail.com. Thank you, Sheppy. Yes, so I'm coming out with my jerk seasoning. Well, my seasoning line. So I have green marinade, jerk seasoning, and your curry paste. If you want that, link me up. Hit me up on Instagram, or you can link me on, or you can email me. But I am only doing Canada wide distribution at the moment. So if you're in Canada, you can hit me up. Excuse me. I'm having Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, what did they cook? What did you say they cook today again, Sheppy? Curry chicken and what? Rice? Thomas said, hi everyone. I'll be cooking corned beef and cabbage with rice. Ooh, that sounds good too. Hey, that's one of my favorite things. Um, Chef Young said, what's your Instagram? I believe Sheppy was dropping my Instagram link, but it's Jamaican underscore recipe queen. I love cabbage and corned beef, man. But you have to eat that with some white rice. Yes. Like some jasmine rice or basmati or something. Or any white rice. Just bad with the white rice. That sounds good to me. Not traditional Sunday dinner, but sometimes you have to just move away from the traditional stuff. Our soup we drink on Sunday. Because we all know we Jamaicans, our traditional Sunday dinner is like, tell me if I lie, me I tell. I'm not telling you traditional Sunday dinner. Can't tell you everybody cook at Jamaica on Sundays. Rice and peas is a must. French fried chicken, brown stew chicken, curry goat. Well, if I do curry goat, some you know, say curry goat and rice and peas taste nice, but I prefer it with white rice. Like when I grew up in an Indian yard, you can also on a Sunday find roti and curry. We not cook one pot, so we have to have like roti and curry with some callaloo on the side or something like that. Tired of the meat sometimes. Yeah, me too. Me too. So like since evening, like I didn't cook any dinner, so I'm just I know it's 9:22 now, in Toronto, Canada. So I shouldn't have been eating this late, but I didn't eat this morning and I'm hungry. Well, I had breakfast. Wasn't planning on cooking, but then I feel for the little season rice. So I must let me cook it and see if Me can't have no carrot juice on Sunday. Yes, carrot juice is a must on Sunday. Sunday, carrot juice. And how long me not drink some sugar and water? Yeah. Jamaica life nice, you know. Sugar and water, curry goat with rice and peas. Tasty wicked. Yeah, it tastes wicked for sure. But I prefer it with white rice. I prefer it with white rice, but the butter rice and peas. Yeah. And stew pork. Brown stew, most people cook for Sunday. And maybe if I'm real Jamaican, I test on it today. What is the Queen? I need some of the Caesar rice. Where are you? Fan Finley 5, where are you? Let me see if Uno used to the if Uno a real Jamaican. Oxtail, I one of them to, but Trina, trust me, one in a thousand we eat oxtail at Jamaica because that's too expensive. One in a thousand Sundays we can cook oxtail. Brown stew fish, yes. Um, but traditionally I always like French fried chicken or brown stew chicken, to be honest. But in my home you can always find turkey neck and I get to oxtail for two, yeah. But in my home, you can always find curry chicken or curry goat and roti on a Sunday as well. With dal, me a cool in, me have my dal. Me have my dal up here so. To show you. Don't drop. See it here? My split peas. Let me use cook my dal. Yes, it bad rice and peas with fried chicken and curry gravy. You know what I say? Okay, so me that's the me I test on for see if I'm Jamaican. Which vegetable I'm gonna explain and tell me how we prepare. Which vegetable everybody in a Jamaica normally, never say normally, prepare on a Sunday. What vegetable? How we prepare, tell me what I want to put in it and what the vegetable name. Probably not even have no name to be honest, but tell me what I want to put in it and how we prepare. Soursop juice, carrot juice, yes, every Sunday. Cashew juice when cashew come out. Cabbage and carrot. Yes, Trina. Cabbage and carrot. I will never used to use no dressing pan for with cabbage and carrot. No mayonnaise and all of something. Let me tell you what we used to use on our cabbage and carrot. Vinegar and you know say Trina are real. You know say vinegar and sugar are little lime juice. Lime juice and sugar or vinegar and sugar. That's all we put on fruit vegetable at Jamaica. Cabbage, carrot with sugar and vinegar. Or lime juice and lettuce and salad. Not the traditional Jamaican vegetable pan a Sunday, to be honest. Are the cabbage and carrot. Talk it truth. We fancy sometime on a fancy Sunday. We do like little lettuce and cucumber and tomato. Tomato too. You can't always find tomato on the side. But cabbage and carrot with the vinegar and the sugar or vinegar and the lime, that are the Sunday vegetable for everybody. Sunday vegetable that plantain on the side, yeah, two fry plantain. Corn, no sir. Corn a one in a million something too. Like and everybody cook corn on a Sunday. My mother would kill me with that. I'm telling you, corn is something we cook at Jamaica on a Sunday, man. Me talk like on a Sunday, like growing up in Jamaica. Everybody had come used to walk boat, you know. Lord God, used to walk about. Everybody had me go. Sunday daytime, we can always see cabbage and carrot and then put them little lemon juice or then little vinegar with sugar. Brown sugar. Mm-hmm. Come a foreigner eat up all of these vegetable, lettuce and salad. I did eat it when me small and say, let me see, and say eat it. I believe most kids hate vegetables. I don't know, but most kids do. But those are the memories, man. I'm telling you, those are the memories. Why? Well, I will get to Sun dinner, fight for chicken leg. I'm used everybody's cause it's not like in Canada here where you I know that they used to have chicken parts in Jamaica, but on a regular basis we normally cook like a whole chicken and we cut it up. So you only know see a two leg. Two leg, yes. Two leg pan the chicken. Brown stew chicken back with rice and peas. Even yeah, that bag too. Curry, all curry. And we make two toto on Sunday. Yeah, man. On Sunday, you can find all the sweet potato pudding and all the little things there go on. After you take off your pot off of the coal stove, you know, and waste the coal. So you just whip up all on ton Camille and put it on it. I'm telling you. Traditionally, what was for dessert in JA on Sunday? Jamaican cooking 101, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, um, traditionally for dessert, on a Sunday, we don't normally prepare dessert in our yard. But ice cream man, fudgy. Fudgy, oh no, fudgy. The little man ride on the bike with the big what them call it something? I see that igloo or they make it out of box. Ice cream shop. So you never used to have fudgy and him blow it on. I saw me own. Yeah, ice cream. But normally, and I like at home we eat the ice. Well, we eat it at home. But what I mean is we don't prepare it or we don't have it in our refrigerator. We are dead for ice cream man come. When ice cream was we hear pop pop ice cream man a come. We run gone out the door long time. Ice cream man a come. Yes, incredible me. Yep. I we used to take it dry ice. Uno dry ice and put it in a water. Yes, fudgy two with the box and his bike. Yes, man, and then fudgy them you talk about. Them fudgy them you talk about. The one in the box on the bike and they have a dry ice. I used to bake dry ice to throw in a water to see it foam up. Cause fudgy always have dry ice. But ice cream was like, yes, Sheffy, ice cream was like our dessert. And as me say, like if you have a granny or a mother or a whole mother or some old people at your yard, them normally them a say, no waste the fire coal, them whip up like one ton caramel, what them call it something not ton caramel pudding or sweet potato pudding and so and put it on pan a little coal stove and make it bake so we can have that in the night as supper, not even dessert, as supper. But those are like good memories. Very, very good memories. I used to put the dry ice in a paper and send me a small. Yeah, we do that too. Put in a buckle. Oh my gosh. We do that too. Put it in a buckle. The rice a come on now. But it's still not dry out. Me tell you there's something wrong with my pot. It should have dry out a long time. I think there's something wrong with this rice cooker. It's still not dry out. And the rice still not cook. When I want to see it. But it a progress though. I think I just mean I'm a patient. But normally I don't stand up and watch the pot. So I don't really know how long it take. But me that assume say that I'm done already. Rice granny is still tough. Well they're not tough, them are cook, but want some more time. I'm sure now. We're going in there. It better dry out. You see that? Rice grain them still a little bit hard. But as you can see, water still in it anyway. It's coming on. It tastes good enough. Backside. Can't wait for this dry out. So you see me there, I eat a tough rice grain because it's something tastes so good. Mm-mm. It tastes good me all along. But look, that's the rice grain. Tough, see there? But water in there for steaming. I mean, know it takes so long. Look, it's the rice grain. See? Still firm. I just have to wait for it to dry out. I'm not gonna have dinner tonight. Blessings to the chat. Nikwa nice. How are you, Nikwa? Long time I don't see you. I'm here cooking some rice, but it'll take forever. Maybe because I stand up and I watch it. But if me did do it, me know if me did do it in my Dutch pot, I don't cook already. But that's what happens when you don't want to cook on your stove. But like come stand up here so, can I when me use the rice cooker because I can put in the rice cooker and walk away and go about my business. But not like come stand up here so I should just put it on the stove. But I need to think of that done already. The rice cooker spiteful tonight. Very, very spiteful. You're gonna eat the food like little by little till it done. My grandmother used to do that every time she was cooking. I must see big boy tasted every big boy. What them said? Remember that advertisement when him grandmother or him mother send him go buy the Easter bun and him saying taste a little piece and then another little piece till it done. I must see me Joy Health Kitchen. So that looks it tastes so good. What time is it in Canada? It's 9:33 p.m. nighttime. Joy said, "What's in it?" Okay, so I have ackee, saltfish, and I'm gonna boil out the saltfish 2 times to get rid of the salt. So I have ackee, saltfish, and kalaloo with with some seasoning like onion, green onion, tomatoes. I have one green hot Scotch bonnet. You can use any pepper or you don't have to use the pepper. And I use a chicken noodle if I want to keep it vegan friendly or vegetarian friendly. Sheppy said 7:33 where I'm at in Canada. Yeah, because you're in Saskatoon. So if you want to keep it vegan, vegetarian friendly, you don't have to use the chicken noodle. You can use that the vegetable noodle, or you can use some Maggi cubes, like the vegetable ones. And I think that's it. Some butter, can use olive oil, and I'm using this rice, the brown rice, because I'm trying to keep it nice and healthy. Shouldn't be eating this late, but I'm hungry because I didn't have dinner. Was planning on not cooking, and then I feel for the little one pot. So I'm say, all right, let me just go cook that. But it just I go against me tonight. 9:35. I'm a rice now don't cook. Don't normally eat this late, but it's okay. My belly not really so big. So I guess one night now gonna kill me. And plus I have like oh you see while we wait for the rice to finish, I'm gonna share like my tea when I drink at night time. So normally when me eat dinner like 5:30. And then in the night time like this now, if I feel a little pecky, I always have a cup of tea and I'm gonna show you what I make for my tea. I actually make some. So I put on my kettle. So I'm gonna show you what I make. I love tea, you know. I love tea. It's when I make my tea them and stuff like that, and I don't believe say I like it's a scam. It's not a scam. I can show you all of my tea them. I love tea. And let me show you. So I'm gonna show you how much tea me have in my cupboard. I have this China green tea. I have peppermint. I have ginger mint. I'm gonna show you. I have lemon ginger. I have honey ginger. I have ginger lemongrass. Another ginger mint. I have my green tea. Guinea hen weed. This is a good one. my honey ginger, and I have my star anise on my boil. I have my moringa. This is my moringa leaf. I have my soursop leaf. I have one for tea down in here, so ridiculously amount of tea. This is my Cersei. Me can't stop showing the tea tonight. Trust me. I am a tea person. I'm a natural herbalist. And this is because I grew up with my father. Me have one next pack of soursop if me pull it. I grew up with my father in Jamaica. And the man there a bushman. So the man ever carry tea. Ever carry home tea. I mean ever a carry home tea. I mean, me not talk about them stuff me in the box, but me have to improvise. Me have to improvise because me can't get the natural stuff them here. So me have to take when me get to me want. But me love tea. So normally at night time now, me have one cup of them tea there. But like if me no want to do the lemon and the ginger and the normal weight loss tea when me normally would a drink, me have this one. Hold on. I have the ginger lemon with one and mix it with the green tea. So ginger lemon and the green tea, good for weight loss. In the morning you have poop like everything we eat in the night you poop out that. Mix the green tea with ginger or lemon, or you can use the ginger lemon like this one. So the ginger lemon, one tea bag, one ginger lemon in your cup, and one green tea in your cup as well. But if you have natural stuff is the best. But sometimes you know you have to grab what you have. You have to grab what you have or what you can find. Because we in Canada we have to improvise. I love coffee, add it with almond milk and double cream and add a little coconut oil in it. Bulletproof coffee. Oh, okay. Incredible me. I don't drink coffee. As you know, see, I'm a tea person. I don't drink coffee. I used to drink coffee, but I stopped. So I don't drink coffee no more. I'm just straight tea. Or every here and there, I have like a cup of hot chocolate, or Milo. I love Milo. So every here and there, I have a cup of hot chocolate or Milo. But I'm just like a tea, like bush tea person. I'm gonna put sugar in my tea. No, don't do it. Don't do it. No sugar. Can I use a little bit of honey? I always have honey too. So can use a little bit of honey. Sometimes I can just warm some water, put a little bit of cinnamon, and that's it. That relax you, make you go sleep. Cinnamon in a some warm water. So if you're having problems sleeping, because I used to have problems sleeping, and the cinnamon in the warm water helped me a lot. Tea for days. Yeah, I can't do without coffee. Chef Young, that's what I felt like I couldn't do without coffee because I worked in an office with, I'm looking on four screens for 8 hours for 5 days straight. And to keep them eyes are open, I used to be dependent on coffee. And I stopped because me face of them coffee or them put too much caffeine in it. Like me think of them added some added ingredients, like some added something, I don't know. But like me feel better drinking coffee where the coffee pods or the beans or whatever they call them, coffee beans where you grind from Jamaica. Like when you pick them off of the tree or whatever you do with them and patch them and grind them coffee that your grandmother used to do. Without the chemicals, me would drink that. But these ones over here, nah, nah, I don't like it. So the rice, the 1 minute now, so hopefully dry out. Let me look. If in a dry out, wanna think me for do. In a dry out, in a guys, wanna think me for do with it. Take it off and put it on my stove. I am convinced that okay. Now I'm convinced there's definitely something wrong with my rice cooker. So when I have to go ahead and super chat me right now because my rice cooker is broken. My rice cooker is broken, guys. Me know me not idiot. Me know my rice cooker. So you know, so me have to go just there, sit there. It stop. So you know what I'm gonna have to do now? I'm gonna put it in my oven for it to finish cooking. Me so sorry, so no couldn't get to sit. Me I put it on 450. Well, never show no what it look like, no. But I mean, I'm so sorry that probably when I'm gonna wait so long. I'll get one of the foil things. So now it's a perfect opportunity to show you how to dry out your rice and cook your rice in the oven. My rice cooker is definitely broken because it stopped and there's still water in the rice and the rice not cooked. That never happened before. So I'll put it in the file tin. I'm gonna show you how I do this in the oven. Yep, oven is the way to finish. Yeah, I'm gonna finish that in the oven. It's still I'm gonna show you. I'll show you what it look like. So another tip, remember, if you don't do this, God forbid if you don't do this. Make sure you don't wash out in a file tin and soap it up and wash it out with some nice warm water. It's coming from the store. All the people touch it up before it even reaches the store. So make sure so now me tell you everything one can wash. When you now cook, please wash it. Please me I beg you. Everything one can wash. When you now cook, wash it. Wash it, dry it. I've never done rice in the oven before. Another thing I need to try. Yeah, I bet the best rice and peas I could ever cook is rice in the oven. So I turn on the oven so it's preheat right now. And I did put it at 450, but you can do it at 350. My oven no good. That's why I put it at 450. I'm gonna do a. I'm gonna have to get some new stuff for my kitchen, and that includes a rice cooker. I really appreciate somebody buying me a rice cooker. If you wanna super chat me or if you wanna send me some money to buy a rice cooker, link me up and let me know. Alright, so I'm gonna wash up my pan and I'm dry it out nicely. So I'm gonna remove. Let me turn around the camera now. If you guys don't wash your pan of Lord of exactly Lord of mercy pan, you know. So I'm gonna turn it around, see if we can put it down like this way. Let me see. I have to set it up so you can see in the pan. I'm gonna show now when I show the rice and let me see if I can go down there. Yeah, that looks good. That's it. I think I can see it that way. Yeah. All right. So something is definitely wrong with my rice cooker. My rice now dry out, and it is not cooked. So water in it, it needs to dry out. Plus, you need to You see why I never go live sometimes, so I can get for sure no lots of tips and tricks. So you dry out and you cook. So I'm gonna show you what I want. So see there? Go show you. My rice cooker empty. The time go and look. That's water. Still in the rice. See there? So I'm gonna put it in this. It have water in it and it cook. So I'm gonna put it in the foil. And I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. I'm gonna cover it because it's still not cooked. So I'm gonna cover it with foil paper. Cover it with some foil paper. Get all of that out and I left nothing in the pot. All right. So let me cancel my rice cooker. The best way to cook your rice and peas is in the oven. So if you never try that yet, if you never cook rice in the oven, I tell you. We just level it out, make it thing look uniform and nice. Level me, I level it. It smell good enough, and it tastes good too, man. Not even see where pepper gone. Wow, wow. You not see that? Mm-mm. Look there, look there. You not see that? That's the bomb. I'm gonna get my file paper, cause as me say, it's not cooked yet. So you have to put file paper over it, make it sweat some water. Even though a little bit of water in there, you still have to cover it, make it steam. So now you know how not to spoil your rice. If your rice cooker not work or your rice cooker stop work, you know how to correct it. Lord, me can't believe I have to go buy one rice cooker. About how much your own rice cooker now, guys? I have this rice cooker for about 2 years. About how much we can get one rice cooker for? So you wanna go around the edges and seal it like this. Can you imagine the flavor? It smells so good, man. Tastes good to come and taste it. So as I'm saying, seal it up. Make sure you seal it. Seal it up like this. Keeping that. You see how I seal it up nicely, look. See? Alright, I'm gonna go pop this in the oven now. I'm getting hungry now too, pals. The rice cooker definitely flat me sure. And this side of mine, to stop it. I can't believe. I don't know, me over here the guys scrape out the pot bottom. It was so good, man. Now lie. They're going cheap now, but one for my mom for about $80. Really? I have to go get one next one because see, it's something stop work. Gosh. Fix about this something, yeah. I can't believe it. Can't believe there's something stop work for me. Hey, rest it and I'll scrap out some water pot bottom. Now go like when I never scrape pot bottom in another Jamaica. But the rice we're cooking again. But the flavor down in there tastes so good. Well, it depends on the size. Probably just one thing like this one is I'm trying to see if I see the that's a 7 cup. That one is a 7 cup. Nice. This way it will steam. Yeah. So that's my rice cooker now. Unfortunately, is garbage. So $80. Yeah. I'm gonna order one at Amazon on Amazon. But if you wanna buy me a rice cooker, you can super chat me right now or on any other live, any other premiere, or you can link me up on the Haley TV. I'll send you my pen pal. Cheese rice, pot bottom at the base, used to fight. Exactly, especially when you're cooking a Dutch pot and you have that little bun dip on the bottom. Yeah, man. Bun bun. Good night, beautiful. I have to get up early. Okay, official Jamie. See you tomorrow. If you guys wanna go, that's fine. I have you here very, very long. I appreciate it. I might just cut the live. What do you guys think? And I'll post. I'll see if I can like put it. Link me up on Instagram, so I'll post the final result on Instagram. Or you wanna stay for another? It's probably gonna take another 6 to 7 minutes to steam. What you guys think? You wanna stay for another 6 to 7 minutes? Or you want me to end the live so you guys can go have a good night, and I post a picture of it on Instagram so you guys can see the final result. Barbara Richard said, "Good night, guys." Hi, Barbara. How are you doing? Where are you commenting from, Barbara? Where are you? Which part? What neck of the woods are you, Barbara? Where? Well, I am in Canada, in Toronto. 6 cups. One is good. Yeah, the one that I have here is a 7 cup. It's a 7 cup. So yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna eat it. I'm probably gonna have that for Sunday dinner with some fried chicken on top or something. I'm probably gonna drink some tea. Barbara, I'm in Brampton as well. Welcome. Where in Brampton are you, Barbara? I'm nearby the mall, Bramley Mall. Soon leave to Queen of a work. Yes, no worries, Chef Young. No worries. I appreciate you guys for coming and spending the night with me. My food almost ready, so on a day I would my finish start to finish. So well till the start of the almost finished. Just like I think we need just like probably about 8 more minutes in the oven for steam. But it's all good. Lots of Canadian in the building. Yes. I am also in Brampton. I am near the mall. I'm near Barmely Mall. Not too far. I can actually walk to the mall. Yes, Chef Young, lots of Canadian. Chef, yeah, Canadian thing about Chef there, downtown Brampton. Okay, nice. That's good. Remember to link me up on Instagram, guys. And my Facebook is um Shugs World Cooking. Instagram is Jamaican_recipe queen. And my email is thealitv@gmail.com. If you want to go ahead and super chat me to buy, you can super chat me. Um, my rice cooker just broke. I'm gonna need another one. If you need green seasoning, jerk seasoning, or curry paste, you can link me up. If you're in Canada, you can link me up for your green seasoning, your jerk seasoning, and your curry paste. Yes, Chef Young, with a link up, man. With a link up, link with a link with a link up. So, hungry take me. I think if you eat piece more melon, I'm if wait for the rice. Should I wait on the rice or should I eat a piece of melon? I'm so in love with the color of my hair. I'm so proud of myself. For those who don't know or didn't hear, I did my own hair. I colored it today. It's a little bit dry because I'm here. I'm allowing it to dry and then I'm going to moisturize. Ronaldo Williams said, "First time catching you live." Hey, welcome, Ronaldo Williams. Yes, yes, yes. I don't go live too often anymore, but I'm trying to go live as much as I can now so I can interact with my subscribers and my viewers. I also have another channel, The Haley TV, that I will be posting a lot of amazing content. So if you are a subscriber to this channel, please go and support my other channel. I have like 5 videos up already. I'll be posting a lot of videos, but I need my subscribers to go up to 1,000. So please go over to The Haley TV and subscribe to that channel. The moderator Sheppy Bradshaw, she just dropped the link to my new channel. Please, please, I need to get it up to 1,000 so I can start posting a lot of videos over there. So I have some amazing contents that I know will be helpful for a lot of people. and I want to start up that channel so I can share those videos with you guys. Not a lot of cooking, but more. It has to do with like healthy lifestyle, healthy living, how to take care of yourself, how to eat healthy and stuff like that. That I'll be doing over there. A little bit more about my lifestyle. So this channel, I do mostly cooking. So that channel, I'm gonna do, a little bit of here and there, nice little recipes and stuff that not really no cooking, but my diet tea, like weight loss tea, flat tummy tea. I promise you, I'm gonna do a flat tummy video. Yeah, me have my flat tummy. When I want to see it, not until I do the video. So go over there and just subscribe, like up the channel, show me some love like oh, I love up this channel. And thank you to all of my viewers and my subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. My channel has grown over the year, and I really appreciate all of you. Like whole of you. A whole bag of you. I not tell you how much of you, but it's a bag of you over here, so I love it. Yes, I need that video flat to me. So I'm gonna bring out the video. Um, I reveal my stomach a little bit. Put on something nice so you can see my flat belly. And people ask me, oh, me cook all of them something and stay in shape. I don't want skinny. Let me tell you this right now. I don't like skinny. I love to have shape. I don't want to be like this in my dress. I want to be curvy in my dress. Not sunshine fans say, okay, goody. So I don't want to be skinny. So don't ask why I'm not skinny. I don't want to be skinny. I don't want to be too fat. So I try to keep it. I'm doing young, so I look fresh and young. I have a daughter that is actually 18 years old, going to college. So I know some I'm not chicken around here, but I look young. I take care of myself. Yeah. Anyway, I'm hungry when I chat so much. The rice just decided in mind say the rice cooker decided in mind to not work for me, but rice cooker when you're a chef, rice cooker can't stop you. You could have either throw it in my dutchy pot and put it on my stove top or something, but just pop it in the oven. And for those who are just coming, let me know if you know, if you knew that you could actually cook your rice in your oven. You're looking beautiful. Thanks, Nadine. I just did my hair like this today. I bleached it out, but the I left the roots. I left the roots dark because I don't want to damage my roots. Better I damage the end and I can cut it off because I cut my hair already all the time. So I'm not gonna damage my roots, so I didn't do it. I didn't bleach it down all the way down. I don't have a color over it. I'm planning on putting a color over it so it doesn't stay naked. But I just bleached it today, so I'm giving it like a week, then I put a color over it. So I'm just allowing it to hair dry and then I'm going to moisturize it. But I did it myself. Look, I'm so proud of it. Actually, like the color come out. It's like a 27 mixed with 30, that kind of color. Yeah, and that's what I was looking for with my dark roots. Yeah. I used to have nice hair, but I damaged my hair and I'm natural and I'm trying to work on it. Like I have some stuff that I'm using in my hair, and that's why I want the next channel to get my 1,000 subscribers because I want to start sharing stuff like that as well, like skincare and get my ear to come back to some life because my ear was damaged. Cause I put everything in it, but the cream out my ear, what we call it perm or whatever, and it had damaged me here. Now I have my natural hair, and as you can see, it's my hair is healthy. And now me bleach it. That means I have to go start put a lot of some of my nice remedies them in it to keep it nice and healthy while it is bleached. So these are the things I want to also share on my new channel, but I need 1,000 subscribers. So please go over there and subscribe. Yeah. And also, as you can see, these are my natural curls, but I have a mixture of stuff that I use in my hair to define my curls. Because as you can see, they're not defined. So I have stuff that I put in my hair to define the curl. So stuff like that I want to share and a lot more because I'm very creative. I have a lot of creative stuff that I do at home, and I know it will be useful to a lot of people because I do watch people video as well on stuff and find it very useful. So I know it will help on out as well. Anywho, I know you guys want to go to bed, and I'm not gonna keep it any longer. I'm not gonna be selfish. So see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Remember, one video come out tomorrow. I want to like up that video, then I want to share out that video. There. It's very, very short. It's 5 minutes, or I think it's less than 5 minutes. I think about 4 minutes. Barbara Richard said, yes, I cook my rice and peas in the oven. Your hair looks nice. Oh, thank you so much, my darling. Thank you. So look out for the video tomorrow. I have a video coming out. It's a very short video, but it's a very good video. Only 2 ingredients. I did some research, research on that video, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be a good one. I don't want to really spoil the surprise, but watch the video tomorrow. All right. Thank you all for coming. I love you guys. I love each and every one of you. I couldn't have done it in a year, 1 year, going on to 2 years with my channel and the growth on my channel and the love that I'm seeing from you guys. I really appreciate it. I really do. Because this is my way. Because I don't know me love cook. Like, friends and family know, and I think my YouTubers know at this point how much I love cook. I just want to share it out with them. It's what I say, I just want to share up my recipe then. And Christmas I come, and you know say me have the wickedest. The wickedest. Me nah go. Me emphasize upon this again. And me have the wickedest Cyril Christmas fruit cake on the internet. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. And me have a wickedest Cyril cake. And I have an upgraded one coming out this Christmas. Yeah. Me not telling no what I want to put in it, but I have an upgraded one. And you know me always have fruits. Watch ya. Have fruits, this you know. I always have fruits I soak. So my ingredients, them all 2 year, 3 year, me have fruits I soak. What I'm telling you, man? Me have cereal I soak already too. So she put in her order. So me have a I'm gonna call it upgraded, whatever I want to call it, upgraded, updated, whatever I want to call it. Cereal cake I come out this Christmas. I know Christmas, well, not too far, but probably too early for you to talk about that. But as it come up, I will talk about it. And when I look out for that, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, turn it on, turn it on. I'm serious. I'll remind you. Okay, Sheppy, no worries. I'll send it for you. I'll send it for you. If you don't want Christmas cake and cereal cake this Christmas, if you don't want no seasoning, no green seasoning, no jerk marinade, and no curry paste, no link me. Also, not only the curry paste, I also mix curry. If you're Indian or if you grew up around Indians in Jamaica, you know what I mean by mixed curry. So basically, you take the raw curry powder and you mix it with a bag of things and make it into Indian curry. So you put like a methi, a jeera, and all of these things in it to make it into Indian curry. So it's a regular curry and you mix it up with all of the Indian spices them to get the Indian curry. I know you guys are in Canada. If you're in Canada, you can order that as well. I can mix the curry for you. Because my mother show me how to mix curry. I know how to mix the baddest Indian curry. So if you don't know how to make an Indian curry, you can't get an Indian curry in Canada. Link up the queen. The queen know how to mix the Indian curry. Yes, Indian curry nice. So basically, let me take a curry base and I mix it with some Indian spice to get your Indian curry where you used to buy in the market at Jamaica from the Indian lady. The Indian curry they may have for you. So link me up Instagram or email me. Let me know what I want and I can excuse me. If you're not in Canada, I can send the I can ship to you guys. All right. So have a good night, have a blessed night. My love you all I know. I'm out. The Caesar is still in the oven. But anyway, the devil is a liar. I'm still gonna eat. Probably won't eat it tonight because it's already almost 10 o'clock. So I'm probably just gonna have a piece more watermelon, have a cup of my slim belly tea, and flat tummy tea, which is lemon. One of them is the lemon and ginger with one of the green tea mixed together and got me bed. So peace out. Love one I know. Love up my ear, love up my channel, love up what I know. Have a good night.